Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today, this is my first video and I just wanted to talk about something very interesting happening in ServiceNow world. So this is BuildWithAgent. Okay, so what is BuildWithAgent? BuildWithAgent is an AI app assistant to develop any of your product just with your natural language. Like you just type something and it will create it will create, okay, the application will get created with it's like a code developer. Like you just need to tell what it has to do and it will do what you wanted. That's amazing, which ServiceNow has provided to us. So now I have taken a scenario and I wanted to build the scenario to do my day-to-day task to help. Okay, so I work with many clients and every client has its own inventory application inventory. So we have a lot of modules in ServiceNow. So one of the module which I work under is ITAM, which is IT Asset Management. So under ITAM, I work for software asset management. Basically, software asset management is that you need to manage all your assets on your own, like with the help of ServiceNow. You need to bring all the vendors, who's the vendor for which product, which publisher, what are the software models, what are the software discovery, lot of things are there in ServiceNow, ITAM. So to perform all this task, there should be somebody who need to go and talk to the product owner and then vendor and then who is the development team, platform team. Lot of things are there, and especially they need to go and talk to the procurement team at the first point of the contact. Okay, so to get the license document and a lot of things. So to reduce that, I wouldn't say reduce, to go, we can create this as a one portfolio where everybody can go and use it with the help of ServiceNow. As we are maintaining a lot of softwares under one roof, software asset management, why don't we inherit those softwares, what is there and what are the contract start date and end date and the amount value when the contract ends. We can give the notification to the people, or they can just come into the portfolio and immediately check which application is the nearby renewal dates. So even they can go ahead and check it in the software asset management. But the thing is, this portal is very user friendly, which I created. I'm just going to show you that as well. The person of the use case could be, anybody, like for example, procurement team, business analyst, or platform owner, product owner. Anybody can go and check it according to their, access, whatever access we can provide. According to that, they can go and see the portfolio. And I named my portfolio as well as like NILARO. What is NILARO? Why I named it as NILARO? Because I was thinking about what name I can give for my app. Either I need to give it with French name, Spanish, no. And then I was thinking, why don't I try with my own mother tongue? I'm from Tamil community and I wanted to name my app like Tamil based. So I used something called Nilai. Nilai means status. What status your application is in, like whether the status is going to be, the contract is going to end, or it's going to required a renewal in couple of days or 30 days 60 days. So it's a status of the applications I wanted to know. That's why I named it as Nilai. So Nilai means status and NILARO means Nilai plus written plus outcome, which is NILARO. So what you invest, what you get, how much you spend, how much your profit, what is the cost of the application. So those things gets covered in that NILARO. That's why I named it as NILARO. And I'm super excited to show you my NILARO app in a couple of minutes. Before going into the app and I walk you through how I created it, I just wanted to, appreciate ServiceNow for giving this opportunity to most of us, to try and develop the application with help of just by prompts. There is no code, there is nothing. I just need to write simple English language to get this app created. That's all. I just did that, and what it made me to think is that I have a lot of imagination. They provided us only 10 prompts, I know. And with the 10 prompts, I can create the basic level of the app. But when I created the app, I literally had a lot of logical thinking and how to create the app, how I can make the version more and more and more reliable and more very user friendly for the user. What are the things I need to bring into the app? So this made my imagination level to the next level. Okay, so I just wanted to go into the app and show you how I created and how helpful it is to the many people. I believe, especially, it's going to be in house, and you can use your own SAM Pro to inherit all the details and create this app very easily with your free language or natural language. Let's go into the app. Okay, so I'm into the ServiceNow portal, and I logged in with my PDI account and go to the manage instance, and I'm logging into my PDI. So once you log in into the PDI, you will be into the ServiceNow PDI. I know. So now here you need to search for ServiceNow IDE. And once you go into the IDE, so whatever you have created earlier, it will appear here. If you haven't created anything newly, you can create, okay? Create workspace you can give and you can create it. So now we are here in our NILARO workspace portal or app where I created all my, the portal application. So basically what I did is I used Earl's template. So Earl is our community respective person, and he provided us the template for creating this app. So I reused the template, and I created my way of what I wanted for my app. Everything is inside the template. Okay, so I use the template, and that is my first prompt, which I given to ServiceNow IDE inside the portal. Okay, to build the NILARO workspace basically. And here is the the template, and you can see here. So it's a very big template, and I created it. So once I gave, it started asking you whether you want to do this, do that, can you approve it? So everything you can do, okay? So you just need to follow what the AI is asking, give yes or no, approve. Those are the things only it is asking, okay? And it just develop your app very easily I think I built this in 10 to 15 minutes, I believe. And I used all my 10 prompts. There is no doubt in that. So this is the dashboard which I created at the end. I think the prompts are very, many times I have given the prompts what I need and how it should be created. So this is the app which I created at the end, and as I told you earlier, that the app name is NILARO Spend Smarter, Procure Better. And you can see here how much monthly we are spending, and what are the high efficiency app, what are the low efficiency app, why we need low efficiency app also you're thinking about. So it can tell you whether the app is really used by many people or not. If it is not used by many people, you can cut down the app, and you can ask them to use different app which is used by many people, which purpose the same. If it is really same purpose of the app is same, the other app, so you can cut down this and you can save a lot of money. And most used application also we are able to bring it to the table. And especially I just wanted to come and see when the contract ends. Just like in 60 days one of the contract is going to end, and 90 days one contract is going to end, and how many optimization opportunities are there, because the low usage apps not required to be used more. It all depends on how you wanted to rationalize and use the applications in your organization. According to that you can decide. And we have some procurement insights as well, and what are the top 5 applications by usage I have here as well. And moving on to the next tab, which is applications. So here is what very much important I wanted to discuss about. These applications are not sample loaded. These are the application comes from SAM Pro, and then which business unit, and then vendor. And I can add more columns here, but I have very much limited prompts, 10 only. So, but my imagination has never stopped. I have a lot of imagination how to develop this app, okay? And how much monthly cost, usage. And with the usage you can decide, like the procurement team can decide whether they wanted to go back to the who procured this application, and which team is using, and they can go and ask the usage, like, hey, you guys are using very less and the return of investment is very low. For example, you can see here there are 3 applications which is low usage. Okay, so they can decide whether they wanted to keep this app or they wanted to cut it off. Okay, and also whether it is a cost effective scope app or not, that also we have. And when is especially this is very much important, when is the contract end date? I don't want to go and see each and every PDF document when the contract is ending. I just go to the portal, I just go and see in the portal that the contract end is very near. Okay, and I can go and approach the team, or I can even build automatic email to the team from here itself. So those are the things which comes as a imagination. Okay, there are a lot of things we can do with app creation, and that will be really really well helpful to any team. And you can even reduce the access part, like I don't want procurement, other than the procurement team, anybody to see the cost. I don't want anybody to see the usage. I just want other people to see who is the vendor and what is the contract end date. And then I want the platform team to see who is the owner of the app, who is the SME, or who is the architect for the app. Those are the things I can even make more user friendly and more information, which is in one tree or under one roof. Anybody can go and see. And also I have created another menu called analytics. So this analytics is like, how much total annual spend, what are the high, cost efficient distribution we are giving for high how much we are giving, medium and low how much. And then also monthly cost analysis as a graph. And it's all your basically your imagination on how you wanted to develop your app. It's like your baby, how you wanted to develop it. So that's the main purpose of developing your app on your own with just natural language. So the upcoming, you can see here, upcoming contract renewal date 39 days or more, and annual value is 252. So something related to that. The value might be not really true, but this is how you can build your app. That's what I wanted to say. And top, low or return of investment applications also we are giving here in the analytics. So this is my app. I really loved my app because it gives me the application details and when is the contract ended, because this is my day-to-day task where I'll go and speak to. My day-to-day task is in and out, is like going and talking to the business. Business is my all. So I need to go to the procurement team, and once I nudge the procurement team to give me all the details over the email, and they need to save the email, save the files. And even you can one more column we can create for the contract PDF files or whatever it is. We can create it over here and put it over there, and whoever having the access, who are really required the access, they can go ahead and download the PDF, or they can view at least, not downloading, we can view at least. And after using it, and go to the vendor or the product owner and talk to them, which will be very very helpful. And I think this app will be very helpful for ITAM and SAM team especially. I come from the SAM team. I know how painful it is to go and nudge somebody, and and I know they all will be in their own work, and this is additional task for the procurement team also to get the details to us. To eliminate all the dependencies, I just wanted to create this app, which is like an automation, and save our time, and optimize many things, and have a good life. And we can invest our time on something else. No need to send the email, no need to chase somebody, just use the app. I hope everybody enjoyed watching my video, and the information is very productive for you. I want everybody to go ahead and try ServiceNow Build with Agent. It's really very simple and easy. You just need to plan before using the prompts, because you have only 10 prompts. But when you give the 10 prompts and when you finish it, you will have a wonderful result. So don't stop, just try, and you will get a lot of imagination once you start trying it, and end result will be amazing. Thank you for watching my video. See you soon in the next video.